Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, charges are expected to be laid against a popular medical doctor in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, who was arrested by the police as part of an ongoing investigation into the Clansman Gang.
A Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, indicated that the doctor was pointed out in an identification parade today.
As the police continues its anti-gang effort, I wish to confirm that a 65 years old medical doctor was arrested by the police, CTOC to be specific, on reasonable suspicion of breach of the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organization Act. His arrest emanated from the ongoing investigation into the Tesha Miller-led fraction of this Clansman Gang regarding provision of services made to the criminal underworld. He appeared on an ID parade today and was pointed out by 2 witnesses. He will be processed and the formal charges laid later on today or tomorrow.
Now, 22 alleged members of the gang have already been arrested and are currently before the Home Circuit Court. Those defendants, along with alleged gang leader Tesha Miller, are to return to court on Thursday.
The accused men who are charged under the act commonly called the anti-gang legislation are alleged to have participated in criminal activities between August 5, 2017 and August 22, 2022 in St. Catherine as alleged members of the Clansman Gang.
Now, the charges against them include murder, conspiracy to murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, and illegal possession of ammunition. To other news now, business.